Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to talk about consonant J. Um, Alright, so let's see what it says. The Spanish J is pronounced like the H in the word hot, except that it's raspier. Let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat.
Dejar,
De, dejar,
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 dejar. So basically, the J sound is replaced by an H. So it's dejar, to leave.
jamás,
Jamás, never.
jamás,
Jamás, never.
objeto,
Objeto, object.
objeto, objeto,
Okay, I mispronounced it. Notice that they're not pronouncing the B.
objeto, objeto, objeto,
Objeto.
objeto,
This is, as you can see, this is a little hard. I mean, getting the sound after O, right? O,
objeto, 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 objeto,
oh, hecto. I guess might have to revisit this at some point.
Tarjeta,
Tarjeta.
tarjeta,
Okay.
mujer,
Mujer.
mujer, viaje,
Viaje.
viaje,
Viaje.
viaje,
Viaje. Viaje. Viaje.
viaje,
Viaje.
Listen and repeat.
dejar,
Dejar.
jamás,
Jamás.
objeto,
Well, this is again a little difficult, a little hard. Uh, Objeto. Objeto.
objeto,
Objeto. I don't know, man.
tarjeta,
Tarjeta. So some of these words you might have to revisit at some point because it's a little tricky when you know try to pronounce it initially.
mujer,
Mujer.
viaje,
Viaje.
Listen and repeat.
dejar,
Dejar.
jamás,
Jamás.
objeto,
Okay,
tarjeta,
I think
objeto, objeto,
this seems to be more clearer because you can distinctly hear the B in that.
objeto,
Objeto.
objeto,
Objeto.
tarjeta,
Tarjeta.
mujer,
Mujer.
viaje,
Viaje.
viaje,
Viaje.
viaje,
Viaje. Alright, so it looks like the pronunciation that we heard in the last set appeared to be was clearer in the sense that you could distinctly hear the different syllables and it appeared to make sense. So, again, we might have to revisit this at some point, but we'll see. So, looks like we have completed this exercise. On the next video, we'll be looking at diphthong AU. So until then, see you next time.